Hello guys, welcome to my channel Rami Stories. Today I am going to explain you about my experience with my biometrics enrollment which I had with VSE in Hyderabad. We are two applicants with the same application number who wanted to give our biometrics. Previously, as you know, since last few months or so, PR applicants are not allowed or not given slots in order to give their biometrics in India. But recently, starting from Feb 24, they happen to allow for economic PR category applicants as well to give their biometrics in India. I happened to see a lot of people who happen to visit Nepal and also Dubai, especially from India, in order to give their biometrics. So right now I'm going to explain what are the steps in order to apply for biometrics using VSE's web form, and also I will explain what you need to do in case you are a family of two or more. There is also a challenge out here in VFS website. It doesn't allow for people with same application number to enroll for biometrics. So in case you are a family of two people who want to give biometrics, if both of you have got the same application number, VFS doesn't accept it. So in that case what you need to do. So let's go right into it and check it out. So initially just go to Google and then type in VSE India. It pops up a lot of links out here. For what you need to consider is this visa.vfsglobal.com. So this is their website. It will automatically navigate to your country's web page. So yeah, okay, so what you need to do is you need to go for book an appointment. Here when you come down, you can directly go for various categories how you can apply. So mainly online is one of the best methods where you can apply in order to schedule your appointment. You just click here and then it pops up a new window, and let's give it couple of seconds for it to load. Yeah, here it is. So if for this you need to book via web form. As you can see here, effective Feb 24, Canada applicants who have submitted their visa application under economic PR can enroll biometrics at Canada visa application centers in India. So this was effective from Feb 24, quite recently. Prior to this, only student visa or family clause parity on returning students and workers are being allowed to give their biometrics. So okay, so let's go check our come down. There are a lot of cities where you can go and give biometrics. In my case, Hyderabad is my nearest city where I can go and give my biometrics. So when you click here, it will let you know the business hours of the VSE is operating. So when you come down, you can book your biometric enrollments via web form. Just click on the web form. Okay, so when you click on the web form, it pops up a new window, and you can select your center nearby. In my case, it's Hyderabad. When I selected this location, it also gives you to select an alternate location, and I don't want to go for any alternate location, so I said no. And you need to also look for number of applicants. So in my case, we are two applicants, okay, but we have the same application number. So when we happen to enter the same application number for both, and I happen to enter the CAPTCHA. So for suppose if I happen to enter the same application number on the CAPTCHA, because so when we type in the same application number and we happen to enter the CAPTCHA, it says duplicate application number is not allowed. So for this, what we need to do, what I did, yeah, so what I did was I happened to select one applicant and I happened to enter my application number and I happened to book my slot. So I happen to just type in all this CAPTCHA and also enter my application number. Okay, so once I enter this application number and did this confirm, so I will receive a message once my appointment is being scheduled with the timing. So that's how I received this application appointment letter via email. I received this in my email. Okay, so I received this via email. So this is the application appointment letter you need to carry. Okay, so once you happen to enroll for biometrics via web form, So you will receive this document. This is an appointment letter which you need to carry to your VSE. So this is the appointment which I received. So it gives you a reference number and your time slot. For my case, it's Feb 25 for 2 p.m. and it's at Banjara Hills in Hyderabad. It's beside Oris. It's one of the famous restaurant. And then, so these are the things that you need to keep in mind while you're going for your appointment. First thing, you need to carry your appointment letter. So this is the document which you need to carry. You need to take a printout of this. Second, you need to carry your original passport. And third thing, you need your BIL, which you receive in your Express Entry profile. Okay, and then they also ask you to bring a signed consent form, but this is not required because when I took this consent form signed with all the details entered, they said it's not required. So you can just ignore this and you can mainly concentrate on these three things: appointment letter, passport, and BIL. It hardly takes like 5-10 minutes for your biometrics to be done. So it's a simple process. And one more thing what you need to do is that in case you are more than one candidate, or for suppose you are two applicants, like you and your spouse wanted to give your biometrics, you both have the same application number. So in that case, VFS doesn't allow VFS doesn't allow duplicate application numbers. So you can just take along your spouse or your secondary applicant along with you, and then they will take the details of the spouse and allot an appointment for the later date. In my case, I also happen to take my spouse along with me. They took my biometrics on the day, and they took my spouse's details like her name, phone number, email, and the application number. Later on, they happen to book her slot on later date. Like it's 1 week from the date which we had. So that's how you can book your appointments for biometrics in India. So yeah, I hope this helps. If you guys have any queries, you can post in the comments. I will be able to respond to that. And thanks for watching. You have a good day.